Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a different video for you guys today. I'm sure many of you guys are hungry, but as requested quite a lot on Instagram, I'll be showing you guys how I make my masala chips, and I'm sure many of you enjoy eating it and making it as well. But today I thought I'll show you my way. But let's just hop into the video and I'll show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use to make it. So guys, the ingredients that I'll be using today are fat chips. You can use fat or thin, I prefer the fat chips. And got some spring onion, green chili and red chili. This is not compulsory, but I like to use it. You've got some ketchup. I've used 4 tablespoons of ketchup here and 5 tablespoons of chili sauce. So guys, as you can see, the chips are frying. We're going to fry them until they get a bit crispy, and then we're going to start making the masala for it afterwards. So guys, as you can see, the chips have been fried. Now we're going to put the masala on them, so just watch the process. So guys, I have now completed my masala chips. This is how your end result should be. It's got chili, ketchup. Make sure the spring onion and the red chili and green chili are mixed properly. There we are. At this point you can obviously add more chili sauce or ketchup to your taste. I just put my own variation to how I like to eat it. But make sure you always put more chili sauce than you do with the ketchup, because you want to taste the chili in it more than the ketchup. So guys, I've just finished making masala chips. I've got some with me now. I'm going to taste it as we speak. This is how it should look like. Nice red masala, if that's how you say it. I'm going to rate myself, and I think that's a 10 out of 10. Can't lie. But that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys do use the same recipe and make it. If you do, please send me pictures on Instagram so I can see and repost. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and stay tuned for more cooking videos and vlogs. See ya!